Hi everyone. So let's start this video, and in this video we will be discussing about Deloitte NLA 2026 hiring process and exam pattern. Okay. So see, Deloitte NLA hiring is for 2026 batch, which they have already announced. Now soon the assessments can started maybe within 5 to 6 days, or maybe by the first week of Feb. You will be seeing the assessments from Deloitte. So there is a very less time for preparation. Already if you have prepared for Deloitte NLA, that's a very good thing, but if you have not started your preparation, make sure to start it soon as possible. In this video we will be discussing about the whole hiring process of Deloitte NLA. Make sure to like this video. Also some free videos I will be putting on the channel for your preparation. Also I want to tell you, if you want to cover the whole syllabus of Deloitte NLA, you will be getting the link of the Arjun series in the description. First of all, you will be getting a full paper of Deloitte NLA in here, in which company wise material. In company wise material, you will be getting the Deloitte NLA paper, 65 pages, so you can get the exact idea what kind of question they have asked in the previous year. So this is the previous year paper. Apart from this, if you want to prepare for Deloitte NLA, you will be getting ample amount of mock test, as the level of the Deloitte NLA is good, the level is high, so you will be getting ample amount of mock test for practice. So you can use this mock test for your practice, like you will be getting quant, reasoning, verbal, reading paragraph, and pseudo codes, DSA, CS fundamentals, everything they ask in your Deloitte NLA exam. So link will be in the description. Also you can use this series for any company. It is not like you only can use this for Deloitte NLA, but you can use this for any company. So the link will be in the description. Let's start. So this is Deloitte NLA engineering hiring track, hire pro test anatomy. First of all, if you have registered for Deloitte NLA, the thing is not everyone gets the test mail. There is a shortlisting process. They shortlist the candidates based on the colleges, okay, colleges, academic criteria, and resume. These three things, okay, these three things play crucial and important role in shortlisting. That's why shortlisting is not very easy in Deloitte NLA exam. Okay, so let's discuss about the pattern and all. So test duration will be of 90 minutes. Number of questions will be 65 in MCQ format, two questions in live programming format. Okay, the total test will be of 90 minutes. Test summary. So the test is divided into total 5 sections. For each section, you will get a dedicated time duration. Okay. So for each section, you will be giving they will be giving you a dedicated time duration for the section. You can attempt that section within that time duration, within the overall duration of the test. If you run out of the time before completing any section, you will be moved forward with the next section automatically. So if you're not able to complete the section within the time, you will be moving to the next session automatically. Once you move to the section ahead, you will not able to come back to the previous section. Very important. The 5 section will present 4 different variety of question as I explained below. So the test sections will be, the first section will be language skill, which is English. Okay, now let's understand this. This is the first section. This section consists of 10 MCQ and 3 fill in the blanks. Okay, so there will be total 10 MCQs, okay, and 3 fill in the blanks. That means there will be total how many questions? 13. There will be 13 questions, in which there are total 3 MCQs and 10 grammar related MCQs will be there. Okay, this section will evaluate your ability to understand the use English in workspace. This question will measure your knowledge in English vocabulary, grammar, sentence construction, sentence arrangement, and overall language comprehension. See, the whole section is divided into total 3 questions. Okay, in these 13 question, in this the 3 questions are direct fill in the blanks, so you will be getting a blank, you need to fill that blank. Now remaining 10 question, okay, you will be getting the question first of all from antonym, synonym. Okay, so antonym, synonym type of questions you will be getting. Apart from this, you will be getting the questions from grammar, like sentence correction. So there will be some sentence there, there will be an error. You need to correct that error, and you need to make the sentence correct in the grammar. Also sentence construction. So you will be giving, they will be giving you some words, and those words maybe will be rearranged, and you need to rearrange them. And after rearranging them, you need to construct the proper grammatical sentence using those words. Okay, so this will be there, and sentence arrangement, overall language comprehension will be there. And for overall preparation, we have provided a lot of mock test in verbal. You can see here 9 hours and 20 minutes mock tests are available, which you can use for your practice. Now next section is general aptitude, reasoning and quantitative ability. This section consists of 12 MCQ in reasoning and 10 in quant. Total 22 questions will be there. Okay, the section will evaluate your general cognitive skills, your reasoning skills, and ability to work. Different question have different instruction. You must read, understand the instruction for each question. A few question will be based on common premise and will appear in sequence. Some question may involve basic numeric calculation, so it is advised to keep a pen and paper. So first of all, important thing is, while attempting this question, make sure you have the pen and paper. Okay, because there will be some reasoning question, there will be some maths question. The important part is there will be total 12 questions in the reasoning, 10 in quant, and the level of the paper will be medium. Okay, we have already put the previous year paper in our mock test series, so please check that what kind of level question they are asking. I already checked it. So they are asking the question from different things, like they are asking the question from different reasoning topics. They are asking the question from different maths topic. So if I talk about quant, so in quant they are asking the question from SI CI. They are asking the question from work and time. They are asking from they are asking the questions from simplification. Okay, so this kind of topics. Okay, time, work, and speed. This kind of questions they are asking. Trains, boats, streams. That's kind of question they are asking. So these kind of topics you will be getting in your maths. Okay, for reasoning there will be sitting arrangement questions. Okay, so you may expect the like sitting arrangement kind of questions. You will be getting some questions, analytical based reasoning questions also you will be getting in reasoning. Okay, so sitting arrangement हो गया, analytical based reasoning हो गया. These kind of questions you will be getting the questions from different topics. On India Bix all the topics are given, so you can go for India Bix reasoning. Okay, there are a lot of topics given here in the logical reasoning. So you can see here number series, letter symbol series, these kind of topics, analogies, logical problems, logical games, logical deduction, statement argument. So these are the some topics which you will be getting the question. We have provided a lot of mock tests for this practice also. Okay, so for reasoning also you will be getting a lot of mock tests for practice. Okay, or for maths also. So quantitative aptitude also you will be getting a lot of mock test for your preparation. Apart from this, they have the 30 questions in technical MCQ. Most important part in Deloitte. See, from quant reasoning and English, definitely there will be a weightage, but this is the highest weightage section with 30 questions. Okay, 30 questions will be there in this section, and it will ask you the question from testing, computer science, networking, cyber security, cloud computing. Okay, this section will also evaluate your programming acumen and programming languages capability. So see, basically they will be asking you question from oops, okay, pseudocode. They can ask you question from SQL, different programming language snippets, testing, computer science, networking, cyber security. Also the question level is medium, they are not easy. Some question can be situation based also, like there will be some situation given in which they conduct some situation. After like after reading the situation you need to answer the questions. Oops related questions will be there also. Some programming questions related snippets pseudocodes will be there. Error detection pseudocodes will be there. So this section is overall a medium difficulty section for Deloitte. Also little bit difficult, as many candidates who have given the test, they told that the level of this section is felt little bit hard for them. Okay, so please prepare wisely for this section, because a lot of preparation is required for clearing this section, because there are a lot of topics. You will be getting ample amount of questions from these topics, so the good preparation is required for this one. We have provided a lot of CS fundamentals mock test as well for the practice. I think 17 hours of mock test we have provided in CS fundamentals. All the topics are covered: OS, DBMS, testing, networking, security. So you can practice the questions from here also, like if you want to judge your preparation. Okay, and then there will be two coding question, one live coding nugget, one live programming. Same thing is this. So there will be total two coding questions. Okay, and the level of the coding questions will be medium only. Okay, the questions will be not much hard. They do not ask question from very advanced topic, but from basic array strings and algorithms type of questions you will be getting. The allowed language will be C++, C sharp, Java, and Python. Okay, now talking about the main things, this will be your whole exam. Let's understand about the exam. Okay, so if you will see the summary, the exam is divided into two parts. One is aptitude and one is technical. Okay, in technical, there are total two parts. One is MCQ, one is coding. Okay, this part is very, very important if you want to clear a Deloitte NLA. See, for aptitude, if your score is even like average, it will work. But here, the technical part is very important. So they are asking coding question. Two coding question they are asking. You need to at least do like 1.5 plus. Okay, if you will do 1.5 plus, there are good chances of shortlisting, or you try to solve 2 out of 2 coding questions here. Okay, it will make your chance very high. Technical MCQ, they are asking 30 questions. Okay, try to solve at least 25 or 25 plus. Okay, it will make your chances higher to get selected. For aptitude, see, English section will be around medium level. Okay, and for quant and reasoning, if you have good practice, if you are preparing for TCS, then maybe it will feel you like easy to medium. Okay, if you are preparing for TCS. If you are not preparing for TCS, if you have not solved that kind of big questions, then maybe it will feel you like little bit medium. Okay, so this kind of paper will be there. Also, if talking about cutoff, what will be the ideal score? See, the competition is very, very high in this one. Also, the exam is virtual. It is an important thing that the exam is virtual. That's why the cutoff is high. Actually, if you want to clear this assessment, for aptitude, you need to score between 80 to 90%. Like questions should be correct. For technical, as I said, 25 would be a good score, and for coding, try to solve at least 1.5 plus. This will make your chance to get the interviews. Okay, and if you want to practice for Deloitte, the link of the test will be in the description, which you can use for your preparation. Thank you so much for watching.